Today I would like to show how we change font in WhatsApp. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to WhatsApp software, then we select the person who received my message, then type the particular message EIDMUBARAK Eid Mubarak. Then tap on here, select all your messages and then tap on three dot menu here. After tap on, you choose italic font, bold font and share option, and as per your choice. Here I choose bold. After tap on, see, this already changed, and send, and tap on send button for send. So enjoy these tricks and subscribe our channel and press the bell button also for our next video update.